Okay, so these are some examples that will help you do week 5 assignment 2 when you have to fix the email. So we're just going to go over a couple examples so that you can kind of see what you need to be looking for. So, okay, so what's wrong with this? The 2 is okay, but what about the subject? Do you think this subject should be changed? Is that got the right tone? Does it tell me what the email is about? Okay, and then did you greet Mrs. Smith? Did you put a salutation in? And is this the correct tone to take for a email? And then we are missing our closing and our signature. So really lots and lots going around here. So it will say it's got a vague subject line. You have no salutation, closing, or signature. You're yelling at your teacher because you're writing in all caps. Emojis and emoticons should not be in formal emails. And then which assignment? Did we even talk about which assignment? You just said help. So you could really, really improve this. Okay, so here we go. Now here's another one. So our subject, it's better than the last one, but is it telling me what assignment, that type of stuff? No, it is not specific. Hi, Mrs. Smith is fine. You are the coolest and smartest teacher on campus. Okay, so what does that have to do with anything? Okay, so I know that it's great, and as teachers we love to hear stuff like that, but that just has no place in a formal email. And you were wondering if you could have an extension. You need to ask for extension. Have you sent an extension? Thank you in advance is awesome. That's a great closing. But then your favorite student. Do I know who my favorite student is? So you can see it's informal subject line. Too much flattery. You need to get to the point. You're just wondering about an extension, but you never ask for one. Make your purpose clear. And don't assume the answer. Okay, so that's the second one. All right, so now we have missed class. That's pretty good, except for you didn't tell me what day. It could be a little bit more specific, but we're getting better. Mrs. Smith, I'm so sorry I missed first period today. I had so many problems this morning. My car wouldn't start. I ran out of gas. And once it did, OMG. So should we have text speak in here? Do we need all of this information here? Did I miss anything? Is this formal? And then you put your first and last name, but not what period. You didn't have a closing, so you have a couple things you need to work on. So it's got text speak in it. It's informal language. Simply apologize and ask for what was missed. And then also, I forgot to put on there, you should have a closing. And last one. So lunch help. So you want me to help you eat lunch? That's what I would get out of that if I was reading that in my email. Hey, are you my best friend that you can call me hey? I don't understand the homework. What homework? Can I come at lunch for help? When? Thanks, and your name is good, but then you need to put the period. So informal term and all of those other things. So hopefully that will help you complete assignment 2.